Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I'm out shooting video of the new homes that come on the market. So right now, I'm on what's called Plaza Francisco, and this is Via Castilla, where it sees Via Zamaya hit the top. And because of this plaza here, we got a good view. That's pretty cool. So here's our house. It's big and magnificent, so let's get in and take a look. Nice entrance. They got the Spanish pavers real high. Here's our listing agent, Patty. Thank you for letting us see the home.
Hi, welcome. Come see live.
All right, let's check it out.
Check it out.
Oh, wow, I like this room a lot. I like big vaults. I like seeing the wood. Yeah, cantina.
Should be serving some salsa.
We should. Oh, wow, look at this wood inlay. Pretty. So I love it when a owner puts their own personal touches into the property, and that's a special little feature there. Nice fireplace. This is a big room. It goes right onto the backyard. They got a pool back there. We'll go around this way. So another slider here, getting to the backyard, and a hot tub. And some grass. That's great. So on into our kitchen area. All right. They've fixed some stuff up here. This is really nice. I like the island. Cabinets have some maple line tongue and groove. Nice uppers. It's not cushion closed, but it's fine. Nice big Viking. And then you have a little island here in your pantry. Big pantry. I love this soapstone stuff. This is really nice. It's soft. Great.
Door open and I was like looking under
Huge laundry area. Oh, and I love that two-tone.
and you came around the corner, flustered.
All right, so this has access to the backyard.
How are you?
Doing good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
This goes to the garage, so I like that. It's almost a mud room here. Oh, no, it's outside. And the pool equipment. Garage is on this side, must be here. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so 2-car, deep with some storage above. And then you have your front room, and this has got a good view. This is a bedroom. And from here, there's some view. So that's nice. Big closet. Spanish pavers are really cool. All right, so there's your kitchen area. And then we have our formal dining here. Wow, looks even bigger with the mirrors like that. Moving through into formal living.
I'm sure I'll be talking to the next day or two. Yeah, sounds good. See you later.
All right, Spanish pavers take us up to the top.
No,
Oh,
she ditched me.
So all these rooms will have the killer view. Wow, this
We're
is
gonna
nice.
go over there.
there you go.
That's really nice. Personally, I think I'd do the bed on this wall. Oh, these are just little things to look down below. That's pretty cool. The little flower bed. And it has its own bath. The view is amazing. Now here's your master, as it should be. Great setup. View from the bed. Catalina will be out there somewhere. That's nice. Wow, this is got some wow factor to it because it's really big and nice. Big tub, double sink, nice shower, closet on either side. This has got the big walk-in. And the vault is here on this room too. And a fireplace. And another closet with a loft. It's kind of cool. Those doors are neat too. Big high doors in this room. This gives you another look down at your yard. So some grass area and the pool. Really pretty. And it's nice how they did this feature too. With all the bookshelves. It's cool. bathroom. Wow, a lot of bedrooms. So let's see, 1 master, 4 in the master. Well, it's a big home, but a lot of really neat features here. Pretty special. Great setup. All right, this is a great listing. Hi. So if you got questions about the market or if you'd like more information about what's out there, give me a call. I'm happy to help. And this is pretty. Make it a great day.